Hi friends, good day to all of you. As discussed, I'm making this new video and try to release it as early as possible, so that in Monday you will be able to trade or initiate some trades. And this is something which is very important video, because I'm discussing very important concept. A very quick session. If you generally search in YouTube or Google about stock market, then you'll have many links or many outputs which will give you, okay, this is a profitable strategy, you do this you will get profit, you do this you will get profit. And I'm telling you, believe me, nothing is going to last long. If one day you get very good profits, another day you might not get the profits and you may lose the capital again. So in this video I'm discussing you a very important concept which is not generally shared in Google or YouTube. This is something which is finance related, and MBA, finance and all these things are discussed. I mean, a topper bankers and all the top bankers and all will use these for to save their clients fund. So this is something which is risk-based analysis, which I am discussing with you. If you wanted to continue in a particular business, like for example, now you are doing stock market business. If you wanted to continue for a longer period of time, then first thing you need to understand very importantly is risk-based system, risk-based analysis. What is the risk you have to take? If you So generally I am preferring everybody to watch this video and then you decide on continuing in the stock market. Because if you see in the group, in our group, there are many videos. Even I am sharing a lot of screenshots that I got this profit, and public are also sharing the profits, their profits. But ultimately we need to understand that what is the risk. I cannot answer. If I am doing myself, I need to tell you all the actual risk what is taken in, and what is the capital used, and what is the risk, and what is the profit. Then that is the correct strategy. If I simply share your the screenshot, and if you see a very big green figure, this is going to impress you for sure, but it is not the actual system. Actual system is what you're getting, a consistent income on a consistent risk basis. What is risk? Which is predefined risk, not more than the predefined risk. So sorry for a bigger introduction, but yeah, ultimately I'm feeling that you all should know this for sure, and then we can move on very good things. Okay, let us go on a quick cap. What are the things to be done and all, and what are the things to be discussed? Okay, so okay, basically objectives of this is, again, I'll go on just a quick recap on discussing about the trader and investor, who can become an individual trader, and what are the factors to be considered for an individual trader, and what is risk, what is the knowledge required for them to become an individual trader, and term-based trading. In addition to that, equity trade, what is equity trade and what is derivative trade, what is the comparison between equity trade and derivative trade, and that's the end of this presentation. And thanks to my team members who prepared this presentation well. His name is Jyoti Kumar, and I really thanks to him. Previous PPT was prepared by Aditya, one of our team members. And yeah, this is about the trader and investor. See, basically investor is a person who don't who don't wanted to take risk, or who don't wanted to take a regular income. Investor is a person who wanted to invest for a longer period of time, and he basically invests on a fundamental analysis, which is already discussed in the previous video. And for him it is not necessary to spend time. Another thing is that for investor, he don't need to have a specific knowledge. Okay, he'll watch a video, and some speculator or some good analyst, whoever he believes, says that okay, this stock is good, some stock XYZ is good, and then okay, he and also the public says that okay, XYZ is very good, XYZ is very good, and then he'll start investing the stock. And here, if there is loss, investor will not worry, because he will have a systematic investment plan. For example, a stock is 100 rupees and it falls to 90 rupees, he'll put more. If it is 80 rupees, he'll put more. So until and unless he gets profit after a period of time, maybe he'll hold for 10 years and then he'll take profits. So he will not worry about the losses. So basically, fundamental analysis, investors need not worry because they will invest in a systematic way of investment, and they'll invest in a multiple sectors. So this is about the investors. See, simply public talk can be considered, friends talk based on investment is possible. So for example, if my one of my close friends says that okay, this is a very good stock, I feel, and the same stock is recommended by a few other people, then that means okay, I can believe that this stock is good and I can go on investing. Of course, studying fundamental analysis is also good. People who cannot study fundamental analysis and all also, it's okay if I buy a share for 100 rupees. So I'll keep on watching. And of course, there are certain rules on when to book profits and all, even for investors. But our main topic is not about the investing. My main goal or my main motto is about the trader who wants regular income. So passive income is my main motto. Whoever wants to generate some passive income, this video should be helpful. Or I mean, like our entire business goal is that to generate a passive income. For example, I'm doing some job up to maybe 50 years, 60 years, or 50 years. After that, I need to have a regular income, which is like that. So I need to have some knowledge on that. So I wanted to become a trader rather than an investor. Okay. Yeah, this is one more thing is investor can average it. A falling stock, for example, he can buy again at a lower price. Is correct for investment point of view. Okay. And if I go to the investor, these are the things who can simply read in English and understand English. His knowledge on the broker is little required, and basic mathematics to understand profit and loss. That's all. He can become an investor. If he is having money, he can do whatever it is. Okay, fine. Now let's go to trader. A trader, as I said, it is very important to have. There are some certain prerequisites. A trader should always have. Of course, these are very important to read and understand English, because English is a common language which is used everywhere nowadays, and very basic level of operational knowledge of the broker. For example, today I discussed in the group about GTT and all. So my broker Zerodha is giving GTT. Some brokers would not do GTT, but some brokers would give GTC, good still cancelled. So this knowledge is required about the broker. What is the facilities your broker is giving to trade? Of course, basic mathematics is required to understand profit and loss. Friends, I'm sorry, I'm little fast in going on, because I don't want to make the video very big and bore to all of you. Okay, this is very important. Knowledge and logical analysis is important. You know why I call it as logical analysis is it my the if I book a loss, there should be a logic. Why did I book a loss? If I book a profit, there again should be a logic on why should I book loss or book profit rather. If I whatever I do, there is some logic behind it. This is logical analysis. I prefer calling it as a logical analysis rather than technical analysis, because there are some traders who just trade based on the astrology, something like that. The star is in this house, so these metal stocks are going to be bigger. There are people who believe in that. Of course, that is their logic. But here, completely, our logic is based on the demand, supply, buyers, sellers, and completely practical logics. So that is why I prefer to call it as logical analysis rather than technical analysis. Okay, to become a self trader, again, you need to understand that what is the time you can spare for trading. If you cannot define your own time on sparing for the trade, then it will be a little difficult for you to become a self trader. Defining your own risk level is very, very important, guys. Again, I'm giving you, see, I am a person also. There are persons who lost money in trading, and that is the only reason, because they did not define their risk levels. Defining the risk levels is very important for you. Again, I'm giving you more stress on this. And of course, amount you use for trading is also very important. Okay, friends. Now, risk and reward. Again, this is even though it's boring, but you have to concentrate on this, and then only once you define your risk and reward ratio, then only I request you all to go ahead for trading. And don't trade without having knowledge. Option tradings are very risky. Just having knowledge, basic knowledge on options and trade in options, you may get little profit initially, but after that it can wipe off your entire capital. Okay, until and unless you have strong control on everything, your emotions, your knowledge, everything is controlled and logical, then only you can get profits in option trading. Okay, just a moment, I'm pausing it.